So many times I dey wonder, waiting they make it the food right.
Hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I prepared oven grilled turkey wings. Also, I'm going to be showing you how I garnish the turkey wing after grilling. So guys, before we get into it, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so yet. Okay, so let's get started. For the recipe, I will be needing turkey wings, obviously. For the marinating, I will be using black pepper, thyme, Maggi cube, all-purpose seasoning, curry powder, purple onion, fresh ginger, fresh turmeric, and garlic. So first, before I start cooking, so I chopped the onions, the garlic, the ginger, the turmeric. So I chopped everything into small pieces. So I'm going to be adding them into the blender now and blend everything together like I said. So here I'm adding all the chopped ingredients together into the blender. I know you guys will be wondering why didn't I peel off the ginger skin. Sometimes I just felt I don't like peeling off the ginger skin because doing so is like I'm reducing the nutrients inside. So the same thing as the turmeric, I don't like peeling them off. What I do is I make sure I wash them really well, also scrape all the black stuff on. So here I'm adding some water. If you're adding water, make sure you don't add too much water because you don't want it that watery. You want it very, very thick, to marinate the turkey wings. Okay guys, so I added the turkey wings in the pot. Also, if you notice, I added also chicken gizzard, and this is because I will be needing them I will be needing the chicken gizzard for fried rice later. So I just thought I should cook them together, then I will carry on with my oven grilled chicken wings. So now I'm adding the Maggi, then the dry ingredients. Okay, so now I'm pouring the blended ingredient into the turkey wing, so which is the garlic, ginger, onions, and turmeric. I'm stirring it so that all the ingredients will be released into the turkey wings. Then I'll leave it for 45 minutes to marinate before I start the cooking. So guys, I've marinated the turkey wings for about 45 minutes now. So I'm adding some water for 25 minutes to 30 minutes. Yeah, it depends on how it boils quickly. So this is the turkey wings after 30 minutes of cooking. As you can see, one of the turkey wings is ripped on the side, so this shows that the turkey is really cooked. So now I'm going to put it in the oven, in the tray, and grill it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes again, then before I start frying the pepper to garnish the turkey wings. The turkey stock, I will be needing it for the fried rice I will be making later. So for the garnishing, I will be using red, yellow, and green bell peppers, scotch bonnet, purple onions, spring onions, Maggi cube, and olive oil. Though you can use any oil of your choice. For me, I just love cooking with olive oil. If you notice, in most of my videos I use olive oil. It's not that other oil is not good, they are good as well, but because I've been using this olive oil for a very long time, so it's been part and parcel of me. So what I did is I chopped all these peppers into long sizes. Actually, sorry guys, I didn't show it in this video, but you're going to see later on how I chopped them. Anyways, the main thing is that make sure you remove all the seeds from the pepper and also those whitish things, and yeah, and you just slice it in a straight form, and that's it. Okay, so now I added the oil in the frying pan. on a medium heat because I don't want to, you know, put the fire too high. Then I leave it for 1 minute to get hot. Then I added the purple onions and then the chopped bell peppers. Then I added the scotch bonnet as well, and I give it a stir for about 1 minute before, you know, I add the remaining ingredient, which is just the Maggi and salt. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave it for 5 minutes to fry before I start garnishing the turkey wings. Alright guys, so this is the turkey after 30 minutes of grilling. As you can see how it formed a nice crust, and it's looking really nice. So now I will be garnishing it with the fried pepper. Take a close look at the fried pepper, how moist and caramelized it's looking. This is exactly how I want it to look. I don't want it to be too dry, so that by the time I add it on top of the turkey wings, it's going to be moist on the outside and look really nice. So now I'm going to be adding some chopped spring onions. So the last but not the least, I'm going to be putting it back in the oven for 5 minutes on 120 degrees so that the pepper will penetrate into the turkey wings, and that's it. Okay guys, so we've come to the end of the cooking now. Guys, you remember I said I will be making fried rice with the turkey stock. So this is the fried rice. This is how the turkey wings turns out to look, with a nice fried rice on the side. Imagine with this type of dish and a nice chilled drink, they're going to go down really well. So guys, my next video is going to be on this looking delicious fried rice, so watch out for it. Okay guys, so please don't forget to like, subscribe and share with friends and family. And enough of all this talk mouth-watering looking dish. So just go ahead and make your own and let me know in the comment section below how yours turns out to look, and I will see you again in the next video. Bye bye. Language number will let you see you lay to your do what you want to love. Come and get some new recipe. It's very easy, stop stressing it. What's up in your area? We could talk about that one today.